Good morning.
And finally, new rule, nothing with crypto in the title ever turns out good.
Don't write me about Bitcoin, please. I don't give a so don't ask me.
Bitcoin happens to use a lot of energy. It happens to promote anonymous transactions.
Bitcoin is not a currency.
Not bullish on Bitcoin.
You, John McAfee, believe in the power of Bitcoin. So much so that you'll put your on the table, chop it up, put it in your mouth, swallow.
If it doesn't reach at least $1 million.
99.999% of the people that own Bitcoin are f***ing morons. That's just it.
What's it feel like to be a Bitcoin?
I don't have any Bitcoin.
You don't?
No.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, GM everybody. Welcome to the GM show. I am one of your hosts, Freeman, and I'm joined by my co-host, Matt, who last minute decided we were going to stand today for the show. And so I had to reconfigure my whole
I decided
setup.
to stand.
Intro.
Doesn't mean that.
And
Well,
so
it looks like
I don't
on
even know what I
screens you're
look
also
like
taller
right now.
than me, which is also not a fact.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm not taller than you in reality. It's
Anyway.
just that it's because my camera's low because
Good
this was a
morning.
last minute change. Good morning. And, I like how every show we start out with start out with a little ranting or a little, it's just a mess is what I'm saying. And I like that about every beginning. I don't know if we've ever had a great beginning, like a great first couple sentences of this show. I just don't think it happens. But
They are all
before we
great.
get started, please check out GM DeFi. Please check out gmdefi.xyz. And
Check
you
it
can
out.
connect your wallet there and become a Morning Club member, which supports the show and gives you also access to the Kimono indicator, which we use every morning in the weather reports, the technical analysis report that we do. So you can get the Kimono indicator if you're a member, and you can also check out our new tool that is not even a paid tool. This is actually a free tool. It's called Simple Block, and this is a little
game changer
app we
tool.
made. It's like a mini game changer, and this helps you make Web3 dApps really easily. So you can make like a minting page really simply. So check that out. Don't sleep on Simple Block.
Check it out.
We haven't
Go
done a good
check it
job
out.
at shilling this yet, but we're gonna get there.
We
We got a lot of stuff to shill.
Page.
We're not great shillers. We're like okay at shilling. We're good at just like coming up with ideas and making.
It's just
stuff, but
because
then
the actual
shilling sucks.
act of shilling is miserable. It's true. It feels gross. Yeah.
Yeah. The life of a shiller, man. It's a crazy life. Those are the real degens. Shout out to you shillers out there.
Yeah, no rest for the shillers, man. That's a fact.
We need like a shirt that says shiller or shillin' or something like that. Shillin'. It's like chillin'.
Yeah, that's a pretty
Shillin'.
good one. Yeah, I'd wear a hat with that on it.
It says shillin'.
Shilling.
Maybe.
like it.
Thailand has. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm going to hold our news hostage for a second. I need to talk to everybody. You guys need to like and subscribe to the show. Like, I'm getting serious right now. Okay, like and subscribe to the show.
Real
Okay?
serious
I'm
talk.
sick of this. Okay. Now we can do the news. Thailand has banned the use of crypto for payments, but not for trading and investing, which is a very weird distinction, but makes me kind of think that they don't really want a competition to whatever they're currently using or may in the future use for their kind of currency system, right? So it's like, yeah, you can use it, you can invest in it like it's a stock or gold or whatever, but no, you can't use this to pay for things. So that's kind of disappointing news, I gotta say.
Yeah.
But yeah, it starts April 1st. The decision comes 2 months after the SEC in Thailand and the Bank of Thailand and the country's Ministry of Finance jointly said they plan to ban crypto for payments to avoid financial stability. To avoid financial stability. Is that written correctly? And economic system risks. Yeah, I'm guessing that's what they meant to write there.
Yeah.
But I'm like, oh,
It's like,
that would be weird. We don't want financial stability.
Who in the hell's running against ability? Yeah, like I.
You know, we need to ban crypto. It's too stable of a
too damn stable.
Stable, yeah. It's not volatile enough. We need something more volatile than crypto.
Yeah. Yeah.
So anyway, you know, that's a little FUD for you. I'm just giving everybody a little FUD, but it does, you know, it does say earlier this month, Thailand's government relaxed tax rules for crypto investors. But it's, you know, it's complicated over there. Thailand.
It's complicated.
I feel for you guys.
It's a love-hate relationship, man. Yeah.
Yeah. I feel for you guys. There was a exploit, a Solana app DApp exploit. It's the stablecoin Casio on Solana was exploited for $28 million in an infinite mint glitch. So sounds like somebody found some kind of contract loophole, and I'm like, I sure hope that wasn't built into there on purpose. But
I was just about to say, could it have been like a, you know,
a backdoor kind of thing
for some developers to come in and
who knows? But apparently, it's pretty much lost practically all of its value. And
I'm basically sus over everything in crypto, so I'm definitely sus about this.
You know, it's really that's helping out all the Solana maxis.
That's an unlimited mint. I mean, that's ridiculous.
Look at this price. Oh gosh.
I mean, is that really a mistake you can have? Like, who did not?
Well, yeah, I don't know. I don't understand. I'm not sure how Solana contracts work. I'm not sure how that contract worked, but either way, it's it's not great for Solana when Solana. Yeah, I constantly see people calling Solana a scam, and I just, this isn't a Solana core problem as far as I know. This is a problem with this stable coin contract, but
it's not
still just like, man, Solana's been getting a lot of FUD hits lately, and I don't know if that's purposely or if it's just that they're not good, that they're an NGMI or what's going to happen here, but.
Well, it's interesting. Solana is always one of the ones that's like, once in a while it kind of crashed out, like it'll stop, like the transactions will all kind of shut down for a little bit, and then they got to reboot the system and whatnot. Like, that's happened a couple of times, and I don't know. It's
fine.
It's young.
Fine. It's fine.
Yeah,
it's fine.
It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine with Solana.
Everything's fine.
I mean, they're killing it with the NFTs, so they can, there's.
You want to know who's killing it, bro? This is one of the. I was excited for this. Oh, I was hoping Matt hadn't seen this yet because I wanted to put him on tilt. I wanted to make him feel the FOMO.
Already got the tilt out of me.
Feel the FOMO.
I already threw the chair
FOMO
energy. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Glass is broken in the back there.
No FOMO here. No.
So Yuga Labs, the creators of Bored Ape Yacht Club, have raised $450 million at a $4 billion valuation. It sounds like they raised the money to fund their Web3 MMORPG, Metaverse VR. Keyword buzzword, and the other side is what it's called. And It's yeah, so you know, they just continue to kill it. It sounds like the fund was led by Andreessen Horowitz, which you know is a very well-known VC group. So I think you're seeing just how crypto and the traditional tech sphere are now one thing, and yeah, Web3 is just part of the tech sphere now. They're not separate things really anymore. So
yeah, I think it's
amazing.
I mean, it doesn't surprise. I mean, the company is. I mean, yeah, they've made it like hundreds of millions of dollars in their. They haven't even really been around for a year. And
I think they've been around for maybe. I think they've been around a little longer than we think. I was reading this morning. I think they've been around for a little while, but I don't know.
But when did Bored Apes didn't
We
start
look like
minting till,
idiots, bro.
May?
We look like idiots right now.
No, dude, Bored Apes wasn't. Anyways,
original.
So they've been around, but yeah, not that long. And then, but yeah, so hundreds of millions, and I think their cost was like 2% of that. It's just insane.
Yeah.
So they're like 98% profit, killing it. And now they're a $1 billion company.
Actually, yeah, I think you're right.
$1 billion company.
I'm really trying to remember, when did they first start minting? Anyway, yeah, it's either way, it's an incredible rise with this brand. It's been kind of, it's just like every day is something new. I mean, I can't imagine the just leading that brand right now has just got to be.
I just wish the derivatives would stop. I'm so tired of everyone else trying to make a fucking ape, and it's just stop. Just stop with the derivatives of the apes. Just stop. We have enough apes. We're done. Move on. Do something original. Tired of it. Tired of the derivatives. Okay, moving on. Sorry, I had to get my rant, dude. I had to rant.
Okay, so you're not going to ape into my hyped ape hiking club NFT project?
No.
Okay. Hey, wait, my smoke alarm's going off right now. Take over.
Oh, awesome. Meanwhile, while Freeman's house is burning down. Sorry for all this. You know what? While he's doing that, I'm gonna actually let's go take a look at the charts. All right, I think the charts are pulled up. Oh, he's back. Is your house on fire?
Dude, I don't know what was going on there. I don't know if it's the carbon monoxide detector or the smoke detector. It was going off for a little bit and stopped on its own right as I got out there. So,
were you smoking something before the show?
Apparently, my house is not on fire though. So, I mean, it doesn't smell on fire. It doesn't appear to be on fire. So
that definitely, I heard it.
Feel the warmth. If I start to feel warmth sensation.
Battery.
Yeah,
but usually you just hear a beep if it's out of battery, right? Usually it's just like one little beep.
Yeah. But maybe if
you got a different kind of alarm. I don't know.
Maybe false alarm.
Oh, false alarm. All right.
Makes for a fun show when charts. I was hoping it'd be like, this could make us viral if the set just burned down during the live stream.
I'm just watching your house just
flames. Firefighters like walking around in here, like spraying everything down.
You're big for that. Desperation over there.
That's right. Like and subscribe, please.
I'm gonna set my house on fire so people watch this. I'll set myself on fire.
That's funny. Okay, so
everything's fine. Everything's fine.
Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Maybe that joke I made earlier just like started a fire. The last little piece of non-news news that I've got is that Winamp is going to auction the original 1997 skin as an NFT. In a mix of old school meets new school, Winamp plans to auction the original skin of its media player as an NFT. The one-of-one auction will occur with another sale of 20 artworks based on the original skin and minted on Ethereum blockchain. So I know you're excited about that.
Yeah. No, I'm not. Not at all.
Do you remember the Winamp saying? Do you remember the Winamp saying? Do you remember?
No, I'm trying to, and I just don't. I don't remember.
It really whips the llama's ass. That was the saying. Every time you'd start up Winamp, it would say that too. It'd be like, it really whips the llama's ass. And it was like,
No,
what
okay.
is this?
I don't remember that at all, man.
Yeah, it's just
and
like
it says,
it's so weird.
And it says we're frozen. I don't think we're frozen.
Well, who knows? And just add it to the saga. I hope we're frozen. She's probably behind, in the stream. Thinks we're frozen. Our audience is full of boomers. They barely even know what YouTube is. So, this is the best show. We've peaked out.
This is the best.
Okay, let's hit the charts, shall we? Shall we hit
All
the
right,
charts?
let's take a. Do you have my weatherman jingle yet?
For the best weather report in the whole dang industry, GM DeFi.xyz.
I'm gonna hire someone on Fiverr to do it. That's kind of
exactly. You need the couple with the ukulele. Dun, 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 dun.
All right, everyone.
Matt Jones
Let's
is
take a
the
look at
best.
Bitcoin.
He's so good at reading the charts.
That's so awkward. I'm not the best. I'm really bad at this, and no one should take my financial advice.
That could be in the song. Not financial advice. It's not financial advice.
The corn is down 0.7. All right. So it's not down much at all. We are still on the daily, on a giant green wave here on the kimono. VWAP still up, but it is looking like it's coming down. I do like the RSI here coming up because look, we could do maybe one of these over here. So maybe the RSI will look like this, and that means that we could be seeing the price challenging the 200 EMA up here, and it would, right? This is just a huge resistance that we need to be breaking for Bitcoin to be actually going quote unquote bullish. So we'll see. I mean, because I would like to see the 50 EMA cross the 200 here on the daily for me to be like, all right, here we go. Let's see what Bitcoin's got. But I mean, it as of now, right? Last night we had a overbought signal here. Is this a divergence? Do we see a divergence on the 4 hour? I think we might, guys. Look at this. Higher highs, okay? And then here on the momentum wave, lower lows. Lower lows. I'm expecting lower prices with that divergence. Maybe it only comes down, hits some resistance here. Right now, it definitely, I would see levels coming down to 42,000, at least, and then maybe coming back up. But I do expect, I would expect the price to come back down and maybe challenge the 50 EMA. Doesn't have to. Price is going to go up or down. I don't really know. I just do what the charts tell me. And right now, momentum is going down.
Advice. No, it's not financial advice.
But we are still on the 4 hour. Hey, we're bullish because we have the 50 EMA crossed over on the 200 EMA. So that's why I'm thinking that it's more likely going to hit 4,200 before it hops back up. Plus, it's So I would like to see it challenge the 45K region. So yeah, that's Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin for you. I did want to look at the big winner today is freaking Cardano.
Oh
Cardano.
my gosh.
Big
I
winner.
did see $300
Big
million
winner.
total value locked in Cardano now. So, and that
Would
was
you
200
look at
million just like a
this?
month ago.
This is the
Yeah.
daily. I know I talk so much shit about Cardano, but you know what? Look at this. I mean, it went
The
from
50's about to cross the 100 or the 200 there too.
yeah,
We'll
man.
see.
It's like you know, back when we were really giving Cardano crap down here, you know, when was this? 11, like yeah, mid-March, you know, early March. And boom, just it looks it's doing great. Look at this giant
Wow.
candle here. Now
Wow.
it did cross the $1 mark. That's the huge that's been the huge support resistance for Cardano. That's crucial. So it is nice to see it get back above the dollar region. What I would like to see now is it stay there. We want the candles to be closing here. So this is the daily. We want this candle to close above a dollar. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Now, one thing to take a note here is that these are vector candles. All right. Vector candles. Basically, this is saying this is a seller's market. Market maker is shorting right here. All right. So be careful. If you're going to just FOMO in right now, be careful because it could just be essentially come up, come down, claim those vector candles, come up high. You know what I mean? So just don't buy the top of the pumps, guys. So yeah, just be careful going in right now. But it's good news. It looks really good. Feels good. Way to go, Cardano. Way to reclaim that $1 again.
See, we're secretly rooting for Cardano on this show. Matt is secretly a Cardano.
I root for all
He's
crypto.
a stan.
Okay, I want it all to go to the moon. We need it. We want to because that brings more people in
moon party
to crypto. So I'm rooting for it to get better prices. I always am. Now that doesn't mean I'm bullish on, it's not like I'm not bullish or bearish. I just look at the charts, and if it's downtrending, that's what I'm guessing here. But like if you look here, right, it just came up, challenged the 50 EMA here, pulled away as it does, comes back as it always does, challenged it here, really trapped a bunch of people, right? Do you see what I mean by these green vector candles? Trapped a bunch of traders, all right? Then brought the price right down. Then always has to return to the 50 EMA, challenges it again, fails. Sort of not a clean challenge, but it definitely tried to pull into the zone, failed. And here we have a nice clean break. So just be careful because we could just be doing it just like we did back here in January, and the price can come right back down. So that's what I'm saying is just don't go all in right now. Wait for it to, what we want to see is pull above the 50, right? Get the price pulled away from it and then have it challenge it and bounce right off of it again. That's what we want to see, the retest before I'm getting in, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just because, you just don't know how stable this pump is, because as soon as it starts coming down, there's probably tons of liquidations right here and all that kind of fun stuff. All right. So ADA for once on this show, it's doing good. It's doing good. Finally, it's the big winner today, up 8%.
It's the good news.
It's up 8%.
Good news one.
No big losers right
that's
now.
A huge
I mean, so far, yeah, absolutely. So yeah, I mean, it's gonna be, I'm interested to see what is gonna be happening to a couple of these, like AVAX. We wanted it. We had higher highs, and so now it looks like it could be doing a retrace. Hopefully it just kind of challenges the 50 EMA, right? This is what we're looking for, right? We want a retest of the 50 EMA, and then we want it to go up. And then, this is going to be a big marker where a lot of people are. There's probably a lot of limit orders just chilling up here, waiting for this higher high mark, and then trying to claim, these levels up here. So let's see what happens. I'm going to be watching AVAX closely to see if it's rejecting now, or if it's going to maybe come back down and retest this 50 or break through. If you look at the daily, we have these green vector candles that need to be reclaimed. So it could come down lower and maybe use down as a support. We'll see. But if you look at if you're looking to see, like, okay, these are the cool levels and everything you're looking for here on the Kimono wave, this will tell you where the momentum's going. All right. So we have a nice green wave going. We had RSI coming down, starting to level off. So we could see an uptick, right? That's what I'm thinking, is like maybe this is already rejecting and it's going to come up. Hey, maybe claim this and then come back down. I don't know, but it does. VWAP is trending down. Looks like money flow is just about to cross. It's right there at the 50 line. So I'm going to keep I'm going to be keeping an eye on AVAX today. It doesn't look right because it's on the borderline. It's in between. It's either But if we go down at a lower time frame, let's go to 4 hour. Looks like we are pinching in on the red wave, and we could be getting a solid oversold dot. And VWAP looks like it's about to cross up. Money flows pointing up. RSI pointing up. This looks bullish. So I'm looking to be seeing. Let's get a better view here. Yeah, so in a few hours, I'm going to be watching to be if this 4 hour prints a green dot here. And you know what? If it does, you could say that's a bullish. No, just kidding. But it is. Just joking. No divergence here in the 4 hour. But be looking down on the lower time frames for those opportunities for divergences. Like, where am I at? Geez, they had 24 minute. Let's get this stuff out of the way. Anything here? Not really. But hey, you know what? 24 minute, we're doing pretty good. Looks like the money flow could be crossing into green. So that would be pretty crucial. We want to see the money flow. Yeah, see, okay, here in the 1 hour, money flow crossing the green last night. Nice green wave, pinched in. Looks like we're doing twin peaks here. So we could be ranging in this spot for a little bit, because right now in 1 hour, it is challenging the 50 EMA right here. So let's see if it gets rejected, right? Maybe it goes up a little bit, then comes back down, reclaims this vector candle zone. So, we could be seeing, a range a bit here, who knows? But keep your eyes on the charts. All right. Anything else?
Keep your eyes on the charts. You gotta say
Ape.
it with your...
Everyone's going ape for ape. It's $12.48.
Ape watch.
That's that. Yeah, ape
Okay.
watch.
Ape watch. Ape watch. Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, we need an ape watch jingle too now. Oh, great. Okay.
Yeah, and then tomorrow I didn't. I'm going to do a little bit. Tomorrow we'll go over some more NFTs.
Yeah.
I guess we could.
I kind of looked at some today, and oh yeah, go up. Wait, go up. Look, bro. Scientific. Go down. Scientific Ape Society.
I know. Here's
Matt's
your
really stoked
buddies.
about that one. Matt's stoked about the Scientific Apes.
The simplex NFTs. These look kind of cool. They're not like too bad. I'm anxious to see how large their Twitter is.
Yeah.
How organic is it, or
Blocks
how is
characters.
it? Okay, 2,000. That's pretty small, but it's organic, right? So,
Yeah, they're
um,
pumping, not inflating the numbers.
um,
The public
yeah,
sale
they
price
aren't.
is 0.01 ETH. So that's pretty low. That's pretty low minting price.
Yeah, I mean, so it could be a decent. I mean,
They're kind of
they're
cool.
not bad. I'd be interested to see if like is this going to be sandbox kind of thing, like
Yeah, right.
or
Yeah,
what,
I would assume so, but maybe not. I don't know.
Yeah, this one's coming up with an error for Twitter. Don't trust it already. Not touching it.
Isn't that just another copycat project or a derivative project?
There
I
are
don't think
like,
so.
yeah,
There's like weird gecko-looking things.
these are interesting. I mean, I'm wondering like, what's the story behind this one? Like, why do this?
Why do this?
Yeah, what is like, what are these?
If you want to be heard, make a statement.
So, are you able to
Cool.
like?
The first largest metaverse advertising community. Oh,
Interesting. Mm. All right, so you can be part of their advertising.
okay.
Group?
So they're
you
gonna
put
own a
ads on
bunch of
here?
metaverse real estate or something or the partner with people who own metaverse real estate and run ads in the metaverse. And if you're an NFT holder, you somehow are involved in that whole process.
Cool. All right.
So, I mean, if you're into the metaverse in the sandbox and you want to get into advertising and stuff in there, like you want to sell your like weird skins or something, I don't know what people do there, but put up an ad.
Yeah, this is
Or we want
interesting. I mean,
people
they
to
have a
buy
lot of
your
Twitter
digital
followers.
beer.
32,000 Twitter followers.
Okay.
They do look pretty cool. I mean, your ad here, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's interesting.
Very interesting. Okay, that's actually kind of interesting. There could be maybe some utility, but it kind of seemed like all that the NFT holders were going to do was vote on stuff or something, but I don't know. Yeah. Very interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'm not like Tubby Aliens. Oh, here is your Bridge Troll Clan. Those
Yes,
are my
the
favorite.
Bridge Trolls, bro.
7 Deadly Sins.
Another kind of derivative-ish project. No, well, actually,
I wouldn't say derivative. It's just kind of like
no.
what makes it stand out from some other.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's got some unique.
So it's like the different colors and kind of main character represents different sin. That's kind of cool.
Oh, okay.
That's kind of cool.
That's interesting. I'm noticing something that seems okay. Never mind. I'm just not going to comment on that. Nothing.
What?
Nothing, bro. I'm not going to point out what I saw.
Hey,
then it's just going to make me weird.
In one hour.
Oh wow. Okay. Well, that's coming up soon.
Let's check out. Let's see if they got quite a bit of following. I wonder if this one's going to be a sellout. Be interesting. 7,000. Maybe in Seoul.
It's a Seoul.
So
yeah. Solana one. Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
What's the mint price? 0.22 or something like that. Okay.
Yeah, 0.22 Sol. All right. I mean, that's an interesting project. Just seems like I don't know if there's utility or whatnot.
It's another PFP.
Maybe just be like, cool PFP, cool concept. Collect them all. I don't know. All right. Well, we'll check out the ones minting tomorrow.
Yeah. We'll crap all over everybody's projects tomorrow again.
Yeah, we just shit talk everyone's projects.
Yeah.
Hey, this one's 10K.
Cyber Boys. Ooh, this is like the Chippendales, but in the metaverse or something.
Look at the stars in there.
Cyber Boys. Oh yeah.
Yeah, interesting here.
Today's mint day.
Yes. Today's the
Cyber
day.
boys.
Get your cyber boys. Oh, it's
Gonna
free
throw up
mint.
the old good old not financial advice thing here. Oh, weird.
Free mints. So you're just spending that
Interesting.
gas.
I wonder what the what's the long-term plan here for with these cyber boys. Chapter 2,
well,
the forgiveness of the gods.
you get airdrop 5 more cyber
Chapter
boys.
3, the Siberium discovery. Make an ERC20 token called Siberium.
Yeah, that's what it looks
Cyber
like.
boys are family.
So these guys will get scrutinized by the SEC if it becomes successful, right? So, but you know, as long as they're planning for it. I mean, free is cool. I don't know.
Really cool.
Maybe I'll get a cyber boy and then
They're
try to flip it. I don't know.
Cool.
They're so cool.
They're so cool.
Look at the cyber boys. Look
Yeah,
at them
they're
go.
so cool.
So
cool.
I don't know. They're not. I've seen a lot worse NFTs. I will say.
Oh,
But,
for sure. Oh, for sure.
that actually cost ETH. You know.
Yeah.
But yeah, you know, when it's free like that, you have a much higher chance of actually selling out. So maybe they sell out, and then
This
could
is a
be-
good one if you want to you know,
do
mint
some-
one of these for free and then send one of these to your like parents, your mom or something as their first NFT.
Get here, mom. Here's a cyber boy. It's like, what the fuck is this? Why? I don't know why. They got a great roadmap, mom. Great roadmap.
Great road.
You're gonna get Siberium if you hold on to it. Hold on to it. Don't sell until it's 10x.
Chapter
Yeah.
3 is coming soon. Chapter 3 is coming soon. Now we sound like Cardano holders. Okay.
All right. Well, that's our
I
quick.
think that's our show today. I think.
Yeah,
I don't think it's going to get much better than Cyber Boys. I'm sorry, everyone. So I think the show.
But hey, your
over
avocados,
with that.
adorable avocados are
Yeah, my
minted today,
adorable
Freeman.
avocados, of course.
Are you
yeah.
gonna get these?
I know. I like those.
Exactly.
We'll see. We'll see.
You gonna get
We're
one?
done now. Oh well, actually, let's show the avocados. You know, these are the adorable
Again.
avocados. We did show these yesterday.
Yeah.
These are clearly the best NFT project minting today. I can't. I just can't. Every time I look at it, I'm just like, why? I don't understand any of it, but I don't get it at all. You know, the pits, it's the mouth. It's just like hilarious. Can't get enough. Can't get it. Look, there's even a rotten one. Oh my gosh. Amazing.
Yeah. All right. Well,
Told you it
Good
wasn't
show.
going to get better. The show is not going to get better. It was a downhill.
like and subscribe. Go check out
No matter how bad it was.
gmdefi.xyz.
Exactly.
Check out
And
tools to build your own NFT mint page. Check out our
Yep, simple
Komodo
one.
trading indicator, the best indicator.
I told you it
in the
was just going to
world.
get worse. I told you the show was just going to get
There you
worse.
go.
Matt
There you go. I was
gonna
like,
start. Matt
yeah.
was just going to start.
You play me out.
Killing everything.
Good morning, everyone.
Man. Have a great day, guys. Thanks a lot for joining us. Dick Enzas. I see you, Dick Enzas, and I know what your real name is. I know it's not Dick Enzas. I know how to say your name now, buddy. And the alpha was Cyber Boys, bro. Get in on the Cyber Boys.